How to turn on or turn off VoiceOver Braille Alert Messages on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings screen, we scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Next, scroll down and tap on VoiceOver. Now go down and tap on Braille. Then we scroll down and tap on Braille Alert Messages. Next, tap on the Braille Alert Messages. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. And here, say when enabled, your Braille display will show an alert message for the duration specified. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key or swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.